Okay, this is a video of the circuit board on a Supco Mfd 10, the older style. A guy was asking me what the resistance value of the R10 resistor is. Looks like 271 ohms maybe. I don't know what the I don't know if that 271 means 271 ohms or what, but this is all I got for you. If you need to know any more stuff about the board, here it is. Hope this helps you. There's a lot of 271s on these little ones. We got the R16 one. 271, 271. Yeah, there's a 1500 in the middle there. If you guys blow any of these other ones. Okay. Interesting. There's also a couple of pots I noticed under there. Okay, this is the Supco, Allenwood, New Jersey. Okay. And how I took this off is there's two screws that go in here and here, another one up there, two, then one on the bottom. It goes there, and that's it. All right, Supco Mfd 10, the older style. The new ones, I don't know. Hopefully it's got the same circuit board in it or whatever. I don't know. All right, click like and subscribe on the video. All right, take care. Bye. Thanks.